What is going on, everybody? I am Sniper Jones and welcome back to another video. Now, if you came over to this video, then obviously you want to know the best way to legit check your sneakers in 2021. Now listen, there are a lot of videos out there and there are a lot of different avenues out there to legit check your sneakers, but I guarantee you this way is not only very sufficient, but it's also one of the most convenient methods I can possibly tell you guys. So thank y'all for coming through. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Also guys, remember the grind to 70K is super close. Right now we at 69 point something, I don't know, but 70K. Remember, I'm dropping the Dream Big merch. I'm super excited to drop that, so if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do and leave a comment down below. Now, one of the most common DMs I get is from you guys, my people. I love y'all. Lord knows I love y'all. Bruh, I'm sorry, bro. I can't legit check your shoes. Yes, I do real versus fake shoes, and yes, I do know how to tell real versus fake sometimes, but I am not a professional, and I am not going to allow myself to go on the DM and legit check y'all shoes. So this method that I'm giving you guys, instead of sending me those pics, then legit app those pics, because legit app can definitely help you. So legit app is what I'm bringing to you guys. It is a way for anybody to legit check your sneakers 2021. Now for my people who don't know who or what legit app is, let me tell you. Legit app is a service where you can legitimize just about everything from sneakers, handbags, streetwear, luxury brands, the whole nine. Even when it comes to luxury clothing and even luxury shoes. And very cool that legit app does, separately from a lot of other places, is they go through 2 legit checkers for 1 shoe. So if I send over a picture of a shoe, they got 2 legit checkers that goes over the shoe to make sure it's legit before sending you back the results. So the way I look over it, it's like, you know, when you're in school, you double check your work before you turn it in. I feel a lot confident knowing that it's 2 people checking over it and they making sure it's right. Now, the last thing you want to do is go out here and buy a shoe for buku dollars or a crazy amount of money. Or even if it's just not a lot of money, you don't want to waste shoes on a sneaker that's fake. I do want to say, as much as I love the sneaker community, we got to be open about this. There are vultures in the community who prey on uneducated sneaker owners, and they'll take advantage of you not knowing how to legit check shoes. So the best way to shortcut all of this nonsense is to download the legit app and make sure that you send over the pics before purchasing the shoes. There's really no point of legit checking the shoe after you bought it, especially if you bought it from somewhere you can't trace it back from. I mean, I would do all of this work beforehand. Now, I left a link down below to the legit app for you guys to be able to download it, but before we get into this video, I have to announce a huge giveaway from me and legit app. So let's get into it. You want to know how to use the app, and this is what I'm here for. So I have, my bad, they're over here. I have a pair of the Community Garden Dunk Lows, and I thought, why not legit check this pair? I got this from a local guy here in Atlanta, and he was a subscriber to the channel. And I mean, I didn't get this from like Foot Locker or Nike, something that I knew was automatically gonna pass. I literally bought this from a person. So to be honest, this could be a Sniper Jones exposed video. Low key, I have no idea if the shoe is legit or fake. But like I said, man, yeah, we got the Community Dunk Low. I gotta wear these, man. These still DS. So once you go to the legit app, they have 4 different ways that you can purchase your tokens, and tokens are how you afford to pay for all of your legit checks. For every dollar you spend, every token you get for legit checks. So for the basic, you spend $3, you get 3 legit tokens. For the standard, you spend $6, you get 6 legit tokens. Premium is $10 for 10 legit tokens, and last but not least is the Pro. If you spend $30, you get 30 legit tokens. All right, so right now we're at the home page. We're gonna hit the start button. After that, we're gonna go over to choose a category, and we're gonna pick sneakers, and then the brand is Nike, of course. Now the model. So I see at the bottom they have Nike SB with a picture of an SB, and then they have a picture of an off-white dunk by basketball. I'm gonna just go with basketball to be safe, even though I know like a SB is different than a dunk. It's almost the same shoe, yeah, I know. But to play it safe, the basketball has a picture of a dunk. This is a dunk, it's not an SB, so I'm just gonna click dunk. After that, I'm going to buy, me personally, I want the 30-minute legit check. That there is $2, so I'm gonna go with that one, or it's 2 legit tokens, so I'm gonna buy that one. And then now we slide over. One thing I love about legit app, they show you the picture that you need to take whenever you're sending over the shoe. So we're about to get started taking these pictures. This is the first one. Actually, hold on, let me wipe my camera off, no cap, you know what I'm saying? Make sure my camera's straight. So like, actually, that's a lot better. So boom, take the first picture, got it. Now we have to take the inner side, got it. Now we gotta take a picture of the back heel, got it. Take a picture of the outer sole. Actually, I'm gonna do it like the same way they did it, okay. Now they need the insole, okay? Be careful when you get these insoles, man, not gonna cap to you. because the insoles can be very, very tricky. You don't want to damage these joints. A lot of them be like stuck down really bad. But we got the insoles. Take a picture of these. All right, cool. Also, make sure that you don't crop out any of the photos. And the last one, or one of the last ones, is the interior shoe. So after you take out the midsole, you want to take a picture of the interior real quick. Okay, got it. Now they need the shoe label, which is like the size and all that good stuff. Sometimes it's hard because it can be on the inner side. Now they need the tongue, the front tongue. Got it. And last but not least is the back tongue. Okay, got it. Now after that, all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom. It's uploading the photos as we speak. Once it's done, we're gonna click the done button, and then we're gonna give it some time for them to tell us if the shoe is legit or not. So what I'm gonna do is catch back up with y'all once everything is sent over and tell y'all the results. It's simple, that easy, no problem. I'm also gonna tell y'all how long it took too, because it says 30 minutes, but trust me, it's not 30 minutes, okay, trust me. So, me and Legit App teamed up to give away a pair of the Yeezy 350 V2 Bread. Now, the Bread Yeezy V2 was one of the biggest sneaker releases of 2020, and honestly, it came out just before the new year, so I am super excited to be able to be a part of this giveaway. Now, the giveaway rules are super easy. I am going to list the giveaway requirements down below, but I'm also going to tell y'all right now. The first step is, of course, subscribing to my YouTube channel. Second step is heading over to Legit App on Instagram. I link them down below. Head over and give them a follow as well. The third is download the Legit App and use the referral code Sniper Jones. If you need to know how to spell my name, I left it down below. You have to spell it the correct way. And if you enter the contest right now, you automatically get one free Legit check. So I'm super excited to get this started. Like I said, I will list the requirements down below if I got anybody confused. But good luck to anybody who wants to enter. Free pair of Yeezys, bro. I ain't gonna cap. That's a good pickup. Okay, y'all, listen, I went to go take a bathroom. I wasn't even all the way done, and I automatically got authenticity check, and the final result is they are authentic. So as you can see right here at the bottom, the authenticity check is these are 100% authentic. And like I said, I paid for the 30-minute response, and no lie, bro. All I did was put the camera down. I did turn it off. I went to the bathroom, and I wasn't even done. I wasn't even out of full stream, if you know what I mean, before the results came in, and the results are authentic. So once again, you can see at the bottom, once you're done, if it's authentic or not. Y'all see it says authentic on both of those. So these sneakers are authentic. So your boy got a steal on these, not gonna lie, man. I'm super excited about that, but they're 100% authentic. So the reason why I'm bringing you guys this is because so many people get finessed these days. It's 2021. The sneaker industry is a $1.62 billion industry, which means fakes are being made every single day. I've seen it all when it comes to fake sneakers, man. I've seen people intentionally sell fakes. I've seen people who didn't even have enough just educational sneakers to know what they had was fake and sell it to somebody else. And now they got a pair of fake shoes. Before purchasing anything, especially in today's climate, make sure you get a legit check. And if you do get a legit check, go to Legit App. It's that simple. It's that easy. It took like 20 seconds. That is it for today's video, man. This was just pretty much an educational video for a lot of people who's in the community and a lot of people who wants to be a part of the community. And so you guys don't get finessed or, you know, just took advantage of. Anyways, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know if this video has been helpful to you guys. And if you want to see more videos like this, then comment down below. Other than that, I will catch y'all in the next one. You know I cannot leave what I was saying. Everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Night Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.